Hi everyone, this is Amit from Relanote. Today I'm going to show you how to use the AI Q&A tool inside Relanote. Let's get started. So to begin, click on the plus button menu, which is this button here, and then you can select the AI Q&A tool by clicking on that. And then you can ask a question to begin with. So I'm going to start with um, what are atoms? Simple topic. So when you start with a question, I'll come back to you with an answer like this one. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. In addition to the answer, I'll come back with a few questions that are relevant to this matter or to this topic. And these are very helpful because when you are starting to research a topic, you don't exactly know what questions to ask to learn more about it. So that's why we developed this tool. You can click on any of these questions um, and it'll kind of blink a little bit that shows you that it's gone back to the AI. It's asking it, for additional questions and answers. So after I clicked on this, I got an answer. Protons are positively charged particles in the nucleus of an atom. Neutrons are neutral particles also in the nucleus, and electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus. So pretty comprehensive kind of answer, and some more related questions like what are the roles of protons, neutrons, and electrons? What is the charge of each particle and so on. So I'm going to click on this one again, and I'll come back with again an answer and more questions. So as you do this over and over, what you can see is, you can start making a kind of like a knowledge graph of a topic. And once you're kind of done researching any topic and getting enough information, what you can do is click on this export icon and just export all of this to a note. So here, now what this was the first question we asked, what are atoms? Came back, this was the answer, right? Just going to bold it so you can see it. And then these are the related questions that we asked. So what are protons, neutrons, and electrons? I'm going to delete this first one because we have that right here. And um, then it came back with this answer. And then we asked about the roles of protons, neutrons, and electrons, which is this question. I'm going to delete that one as well. All right, so now that we have like a beginning point or a starting point, what we can do is we can use our other AI tools um, to ask it to expand. So we right click, sorry, we um, type in the / here and we click on the AI autocomplete, and it'll come back with an answer specific to this question. How do atoms combine to form molecules? Right, so it'll come back with this answer here. Um, and I'm just going to take that answer and just make it in italics so you can see it. Oops, sorry. There you go. Okay, so you can expand using the AI autocomplete. Alternatively, if you want to have a more graphic view, what you can do is just keep going back to that same chat. I'm going to click on that, and I can keep kind of asking it to expand more um, on any of these answers. Sorry, on any of these questions. Let me click on this one. There you go. All right. So it's a very powerful way of researching a topic. Do use it and let us know what you think. All right. Thank you.